Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain and Siser, Juliet Beginners to Pro. Today I've got a nice card for you. It's a thank you card. Now it could be made to be a birthday card or any other occasion, but I've designed this as a thank you card. So I've got an unusual shaped base. It's a bit like a cut off igloo, but it's just something a little different. Now the first element of this is a vinyl cut thank you. Now I've weeded it and I've put it onto my transfer paper, and I'm just going to put it on here. Just want to make sure that is pretty much level. Always a good idea. I'm going to put it up somewhere near the top. I think that'll do fine. I'll just rub that down. Now this is a pink glitter vinyl. You can use whatever you happen to have. There we go. So the idea with this card is that you can, particularly if you've got younger children, you can prep part of this beforehand, so you can cut them out and you can get the vinyl ready, and you can even stick the vinyl on if they're not old enough to do that reliably. So you've got your basic card shape there. And the next bit is going to be fun because this is where the kids can get to be creative. Now I've got some metallic lettering brushes here. These were cheap ones, they're not expensive, I think they're about €6, but you could use whatever pens you've got. The advantage with these is that they have a brush tip, and that's quite handy. So all of you who've got the watercolour brushes and things like that, you might quite like this. All I'm going to do is very lightly put in some wiggly lines. Just let your imagination go. Now what you want to do is to press down with more of the brush tip, like this, and you can make your leaves. So you don't have to draw leaves. It doesn't take an awful lot of skill because the brush shape does most of the work for you. Now if you did this with the stems in green and with a mauve for the leaf shape, you could almost do sort of like lilac and things like that. But what I'm going to do is use some things that I've got to stick on. Now these are great. Bought them in packets and I've just decanted them because packets always end up breaking anyway, or you spill them at the packets. These are dimensional flowers and they're in all sorts of nice pastel colours, but they are cupped. And these here are completely flat ones, okay? Nice pastel colours, but they're flat. So you can mix and match and whatever. Now the benefit of doing this is that it involves gluing, and we all know that kids like gluing things onto things. So do some adults. I might be one of them. And so you can put some scattered little dots, pick up your flowers and pop them into place. So there I've got all my little flowers stuck on, and all I'm going to do now is take a sparkly pen and just put a few little dots around. So that's it, a cute little thank you card. So you can make them yourself, or you can try and get the children to make them. Whichever it happens to be, I'm sure the recipient will really like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.